Over the last 6 years, my twin sisters, Yvette and Yvonne, have done pain medicine on a daily basis, really heavily.
I take Xanax and methadone in the morning, and I take it in the evening. I got a couple of Xanax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Xanax. This is the methadone. And this is Xanax. My sister has an addiction too. I take 2 drugs. The antidepressant in the morning, the Xanax at night. I take Xanax for anxiety. I feel like I have to have it. It can become a drug addiction, but I feel like I'm in control right now. I can quit taking drugs at any time. I feel that Yvette is worse off than me. I was 28 years old when I started using drugs. I get my drugs from a dealer. He gets them from a doctor and he just sells it to us. These are like $10 a piece, the methadone. The Xanax is $2. I spend $100 on drugs a week. I keep it in my pants pocket so no one will find it, but sometimes Mama comes digging. I became addicted to pain medication when my husband was in an accident. His doctor was giving him so many drugs, you wouldn't believe. And I would take a few, and I liked how it made me feel. I'll make a Xanax, a whole Xan bar last 4 days, 4 nights.
Yvonne went to a 2-week detox clinic when she was on methadone.
Son, what are you doing, man?
My kids found me passed out on the floor. That was the worst.
2 weeks later, she was back on methadone. Yvonne's husband supplied her with the drugs. He was recently sentenced to 18 years in prison.
My husband took his pain medication, drove home, and killed 2 people in an accident.
The twins and Yvonne's children live with my mother.
You lied to me! You lied!
It bothers me that they don't have a problem cursing those children out.
Hell no!
You little Yvette screams at him at the top of her lungs.
No!
Okay, you wrote to me, why?
Because I want them to get some help.
What is your fear?
That this will continue and one of them's gonna die and their children will just never have a chance at life.
What do you think about what you saw on the
It
tape
was
there?
horrible. Terrible.
What do you say?
It was horrible, but it was the truth.
What are you taking?
Xanax and methadone.
What's your thinking about that? What do you say to yourself about it?
I know it's wrong, but it gets me through the day. It gives me energy so I can go to work. And when I take the Xanax, it helps me go to sleep and to release stress. That's why I do it.
But this is, you say it gets you through the day. Has it not created huge problems in your life already?
With my family, it has.
Do you yell and scream and fight all the time?
Well, my mom starts the fighting.
Did the drugs cost you custody of your daughter?
Yep.
You got busted with drugs and drug paraphernalia and high, and you wound up losing custody of your daughter.
Mm-hmm.
Where's the father of your child?
And the child is with him.
And he's raising your daughter.
But I do have her every other weekend.
Are you on drugs when you have her?
Yes. Not as much, but I do take care of her. I do the right thing when she's with me.
Are you addicted?
Yes, sir.
What do you think about it? What do you say to yourself about it?
It's horrible. I don't want to be addicted.
Do you have a story or a question for me? Click the link in the description and tell me what in the world is going on.